y'all, what's going on? Welcome back. It's your girl Shar. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe, join the family, because I would love to have you here. But if you're returning, thank you for showing up, continuing to support, watch, share, like, comment, all that good stuff. Okay, so as you guys can see from the title, we're going to be reviewing this laundry detergent. If y'all haven't seen the video here on my channel from years back, I did do the extra laundry detergent. But this time, baby, we're talking about Arm & Hammer, okay? When I tell y'all I love this so much. I love it, I love it, I love it. I think I'm going to do, like, different ones. I'm not sure. Because I really like this one a lot. Now, of course, I've used Gain, I've used Tide, and all that good stuff. But this one right here, I love it because it has the odor blasters and the stain remover. It got the oxy in it. And it fights odors, all that good stuff. As you can see, fresh burst. Okay, I love this scent. But as you guys can see, all the directions and things is on the bag, telling you it cleans in cold water. It's like that. 35 loads. This is the 45.5 bottle. And yeah, y'all, OxyClean Plus. Okay, this is definitely something you should incorporate in your laundry routine. Now, of course, if you got, allergens and things like that, do what works for you. But if you're trying to get put on to some good stuff, this is what you need. I love this. And I'm gonna use it every time. Every single time, okay? So definitely get you some Arm & Hammer OxyClean odor blaster purple bottle. I will try the other ones though. I do want to see what those scents smell like, but this one right here smells amazing. Closed for a long time, so why not? Why not? You tell me. Why not? ASMR. Ooh, smell it, smell it. Laundry smelling, but it smells so good. It really do. So get you some thumbnail. But no, for real. Get you some of this. It's amazing. It's pretty much self-explanatory. It smells amazing. Go try it. If you have tried it, let me know what you think about it. Stay tuned for my other videos that's coming today. I might do a live stream too as well. I'm not sure. But subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next upload. Bye.